Hello, we are in Chapter 7, Section 7.4, Logarithmic Functions. In this video, we're going to go over problem number 1, in which we are to approximate the exponent using the calculator. In part A, we are to find the exponent that imposed on the base of 10 will result in about 333. We know that 10 to the power of 2 is 100 and 10 to the power of 3 is 1000. So let's start our search in the exponents between 2 and 3. We will create a table of values in here in which we will explore the exponents between 2 and 3 differing by a tenth. As you can see, the numbers to the left and to the right closest to 333 in terms of the values are for x equals 2.5 and 2.6. So let's refine our table and look for the exponents between 2.5 and 2.6. And again, here, as you can see, the closest numbers to 333 to the left and right in terms of values are for the inputs of 2.52 and 2.53. Let's do that again. Let's refine our table again. Now we can see that, again, the numbers that are the closest to 333 to the left and right are for the x's of 2.522 and 2.523. Let's do that refinement one more time to find the number closest to 333 in here, which, as you can see, is 332.9661. We can do it over and over again, but I think this is close enough. So let's just use that exponent of 2.5224, and that will be sufficient. Let's move on to the remaining parts. In part B, we are to evaluate the power of 10 that results in about 41. So do the same thing on your calculators pretty much by looking what exponents between 1 and 2 will give you the closest number to 41, because 10 to the power of 1 is 10 and 10 to the power of 2 is 100. And when you do that, you will find that that exponent is about 1.6128. In part C, the resulting power of 10 should be very small, as you can see in here. So we need to be taking the reciprocals of 10, that means negative exponents. And since 1/10 is 10 to the power of negative 1, and 1/100th is 10 to the power of negative 2, we'll be searching for exponents between negative 1 and negative 2. So again, if you play around with your calculator, you can see that that exponent is about negative 1.125. In part D, the result is supposed to be 54,321. So again, we will be looking in the exponents between 4 and 5, because 10 to the power of 4 is 10,000, and 10 to the power of 5 is 100,000. After a few refinements, you will find that exponent to be about 4.735. And finally, in part E, we are looking for the power of 10 resulting in about negative 2500. Well, will any power of 10 be ever negative? No. So this one won't work. There is no exponent that imposed on the base of 10 would result in negative 2500 or really any non-positive number.